Hi friends, in this video we are going to cover the current affairs. For regular updates, join our Telegram channel. Also follow our Facebook page for daily updates. Download our free monthly current affairs PDF and current affairs questions and answers from the website. All the links are available in the description. Current Affairs Quiz, June 23, 2020. Question number 1. When do we observe International Olympic Day? Options are A. June 12th, B. June 23rd, C. July 5th, D. May 28th. Answer B. June 23rd. The day the 23rd of June was chosen to be celebrated as International Olympic Day to commemorate the foundation day of the International Olympic Committee. Additional question. When was first International Olympic Day celebrated? 1948. Question number 2. When do we observe United Nations Public Service Day? Options are A. June 23rd, B. June 29th, C. April 16th, D. August 14th. Answer A. June 23rd. The United Nations General Assembly designated the 23rd of June to be observed as United Nations Public Service Day in order to highlight the value and virtue of public service to the community. Additional question. When was first United Nations Public Service Day celebrated? 2003. Question number 3. When do we observe International Widows Day? Options are A. May 19th, B. July 24th, C. September 8th, D. June 23rd. Answer D. June 23rd. International Widows Day is observed on the 23rd of June. A million of widows across the globe live in poverty and without any substantial support. Additional question. Which organization adopted International Widows Day? United Nations General Assembly. Question number 4. Which department has launched decarbonizing transport in India? Options are A. Railways, B. NITI Aayog, C. Defense, D. Jal Shakti Mission. Answer B. NITI Aayog. The main aim of the project will be to develop a pathway towards a low-carbon transport system for India. Additional question. Who is the chairperson of NITI Aayog? Narendra Modi. Question number 5. Who has been appointed as new head of global development? Options are A. Laurent Bocquillet, B. Harry S. Truman, C. Milton Friedman, D. Mahbub-ul-Haq. Answer A. Laurent Bocquillet. World Athletics on June 22 announced that Laurent Bocquillet has been appointed as the head of global development. World Athletics mentioned that the global search to fill out the new position was conducted in January 2020. Additional question. Where is the headquarters of World Athletics? Monaco. Question number 6. Who has inaugurated Virtual India Pavilion at Cannes Films Market? Options are A. Harsh Vardhan, B. Prakash Javadekar, C. Aanchal Gangwal, D. Ramesh Pokhriyal. Answer B. Prakash Javadekar. Information and Broadcasting Minister Prakash Javadekar virtually inaugurated the India Pavilion at the Cannes Film Market. Additional question. Prakash Javadekar belongs to which state? Maharashtra. Question number 7. Who has been appointed as new chairman of Gem and Jewelry Export Promotion Council (GJEPC)? Options are A. Mithun Das, B. Vipul Shah, C. Chandrasekhar Rao, D. Kaulan Shah. Answer D. Kaulan Shah. Gem and Jewelry Export Promotion Council (GJEPC), under the aegis of the Commerce Ministry, announced the appointment of Kaulan Shah as chairman of the apex trade body for the sector. Additional question. Gem and Jewelry Export Promotion Council (GJEPC) founded in which year? 1966. Question number 8. Who has been appointed Chief Executive of the Financial Conduct Authority? Options are A. Banwarilal, B. Priyanka Singh, C. Nikhil Rathi, D. Nisha Gupta. Answer C. Nikhil Rathi. The UK head of the London Stock Exchange, Nikhil Rathi, has been appointed Chief Executive of the Financial Conduct Authority, making him the first bum leader of the UK's city regulator. Additional question. Where is the headquarters of Financial Conduct Authority? London. Question number 9. Which bank has launched co-branded cashless card with afford plan for healthcare needs? Options are A. IDFC Bank, B. Equitas Bank, C. Yes Bank, D. Axis Bank. Answer C. Yes Bank. Yes Bank, partnership with Afford Plan, a Delhi-based fintech company specializing in healthcare, announced the launch of Swasth Card, a co-branded healthcare card under Swasth program. Additional question. Who is the CEO of Yes Bank? Prashant Kumar. Question number 10. Who has been appointed new Chief Financial Officer (CFO) of Standard Chartered Bank? Options are A. Divyanka Tripathi, B. Usha Bandhari, C. Gaurav Maheshwari, D. Ladha Rao. Answer C. Gaurav Maheshwari. Maheshwari brings with him over 23 years of experience gained predominantly across the financial and corporate sector. Additional question. Who is the CEO of Standard Chartered Bank? Bill Winters. Thanks for watching this video. Share your feedback in the comment section.